Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. Now, the first way is to head into the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, within the Photos app, if you went through and hit select and selected multiple ones and deleted them, you can get them back within a certain time frame. To be able to get those back, we're going to, instead of library, tap on collections here at the bottom left. And you'll be able to see all of these collections. Now, keep in mind, some of these might be opened or closed, but you're going to look down until you find utilities, because within utilities are your recently deleted photos. So there you can see towards the bottom is utilities. I'm going to tap on that little arrow to open it up, or you could just tap on utilities and bring it to the screen. Now from here, you can see recently deleted, that third option. Just tap on that and you can get back any of these. Keep in mind, they do stick around for 30 days. So if you wanted to get any of them back, let's tap on select. And then we can select one or multiple different photos and videos. And then tap on those 3 dots at the top right and just choose to recover them and recover. Just like that, they'll be brought back into the photos. However, let's say you don't see them in the recently deleted section in the Photos app. Your second option is to head into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. Let's check to see if iCloud has a copy of those photos instead. So from here, we're just going to tap on here and type in iCloud.com and hit go. Now from here, you will need to sign into your Apple ID account, but after you have signed in, you'll be able to see here is photos. So I can tap on photos. It'll show me all of my photos. And from here, let's say I wanted to download one of these again. I can just tap on it. And now from here, tap on those 3 dots at the top right. And there you can see is download midway down. I can just tap on it and it will download this, tap on download, back to my iPhone. So this is yet another option to be able to recover those if there's a version of it within iCloud, but not on your iPhone. Now there is a third way to be able to recover those photos. And to be able to do that, let's head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Once you open up the Settings app, let's tap on your name at the very top. And now from here, let's tap on iCloud here, now midway down. We're going to make use of an iCloud backup to be able to restore all of those photos and videos that you might have deleted back to your iPhone. So tap on iCloud backup here. And now from the very bottom, you're going to look for all device backups and this iPhone backup. You can see it was backed up in this case yesterday, and I can see show all apps. All of these apps are backed up in addition to all my photos. However, if that was basically after you deleted it, this won't work. But if the backup was before you deleted those photos and videos, this will work. So let's just go back to the very beginning of your settings and I'll show you how to restore to that backup. So from the very beginning of your settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit and tap on the general option here. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll down to the bottom because we're going to choose this transfer or reset iPhone. Once you're in here, all we need to do is hit erase all content and settings. This will allow us to completely factory reset and erase your iPhone. But after you go through the process of hitting continue and continue, then essentially you can just restore it back from that iCloud backup, bringing back all those photos and videos onto your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.